For the final section of the tutorial, we're going to be going over custom appearances, including player and pawns. The way to do it is to make a character first and foremost. So you'll close your server. You'll not get lost and reopen it. And there is actually one more thing we want to do. In your DDON CLI, bin debug .net, you want to go to DDON config JSON, edit that with Notepad+, scroll down to the bottom section, and where it says wipe on startup, you'll change that to false. Since when you start up the server, it will use our original data for appearance, and you'll be default male arisen number 7000. So just do that, hit save, and you're good to go from here. Close this out, get back in the game, game start, and instead of selecting the given character, you'll simply create your own. Male, female, any voice, any height. As you would normally with MMO, you can fully customize any appearance you like. Additionally, with this, you could also create presets for pawns and whatnot, save them, and create extra characters for use later. So here's my preset, female. Give it a name, because you have to. It could be anything. Hit yes. Pick any class. You're not going to play this class anyway. And get a copyright strike from Capcom, because they don't like you. So once you skip the copyright strikes, you'll notice that you're wearing the gear from the first character with your new character. You cannot complete this tutorial, it hasn't been done. Don't worry about it. Just exit out. You can close your server, and when we get our appearance, we'll open it back up. So you do need one more piece of software. You could load up this character and play as this character, and all the edited data will remain. But when you play as a separate character that is not the first one, you cannot summon pawns. So unfortunately, we do need a DB browser of some sort. I use DB browser for SQLite. I'll link it in the Zul channel somewhere. Just look for it there. You'll open up your DB browser and go to the same path as we have been. Repos, CLI, bin, debug, net, files. And from here, instead of going into assets, you'll go into database, your SQLite, open that up, click on browse data, click on this drop down, go to your character, and if you want to use pawns and all that, you'll copy the data of the second character, which is all your appearance information, and just overwrite the first character. And if you want to not be lost and confused, you could go ahead and delete this one. From here, you could also change your name to whatever you wanted, as long as it has no numbers. If you put a number in, it won't open the game anymore for whatever reason. It could be all capitals, it could be anything. Just no numbers or symbols. You'll write the changes, launch the game, server, excuse me, game's already open. Get our message, log back in. We'll see our character change immediately from the login screen. And once we get in game, we'll have all the equipment, ability to summon pawns, passives, yada yada yada, with our new appearance. So now I'm playing as female Risen, no pants, and a weird cape, custom pawn, custom skills, custom equipment, there you go from there. Now, referencing what I said in the last video about pawn appearance, you can use this appearance data in the DB browser, make additional characters of presets that you like, male, female, your choice, and in the pawn CSV, reading hard, at the very end section of the CSV, past the levels and skills, is the appearance data, written in the same format as this, the exact same order, starting with sex, voice, pitch, personality, and so on and so forth. You don't have to write each number one for one, copy paste, and place it in here, but you do need to replace every value. One thing you can do is select a row, copy this row, and paste it into Discord, and you'll have these appearance data here, and you'll simply just copy, starting with the sex of your character, find the sex of this character, which starts, let me see if I can find it real fast. I believe it's here. 420022, yeah. So starting here, you'll just highlight all this and then paste it, and then just replace all these spaces with commas, and that's how you can get your pawn appearance. I'll show an example of one that's already done just to make things faster, but that's all you would do. It's pretty easy. Make a character, copy the data, paste it in here, add in your commas. Oops, deleted that one. Oh well, doesn't fucking matter. So I do have ones already done, including an enemy spawn CSV. Copy this, put it in my CLI, bin, debug, net, files, assets, paste it. And for prosperity, just to show that I did change it, if you can quickly glance and see that the data is different. Don't know how easy or how hard it is to notice it, but their names are different, their skills, their classes, their equipment all changed. Appearance. You'll save your data, close that out, restart your server, go back in game. Now we're back in game. Summon our pawns. You'll see I have 2 females and a male. Seeker, Alchemist, Sorcerer. They have different voices, different dialogue lines, different speech frequencies, and you can really go all out with this, including with your own character. You don't have to play fighter, you can play anything. Just feel free and change what you want. Enjoy, have fun. Any questions? Try to figure it out first. Rewatch any video you need for clarification. Reference the servers. Look through any information that we have. It's all there. We're not hiding it. None of it's hidden. There's no secret dev server where we have our special build where we play online or some shit. Just check here, find what you want. Talk about DD2 with everyone else. Yeah, whatever. Enjoy.